In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in Scribus. Now, the first way you could do this is by going to this toolbar up top and clicking on this image tool over here. So just click on that, and whenever you do this, you can go and just click over here to basically put in a frame by default, or you could click again and you can click and drag out whatever size you want it to be. You could also go to Insert up top and you have the image frame over here as well, okay? Now, from here, you have two options. You could either right-click on any of these image frames and click on Get Image. That's the first way to actually do this. Or the second one is going to be to double click inside any of them and it's going to show you your images. Now from here, you'll be able to, of course, find whatever you want inside your files. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder here and I'm going to actually click on this view. Of course, you can select which view you want. I'm just going to use this one. And then you can go and, of course, open any image. Here you can preview them on the right, as you can see, like this. And then whenever you're done, you can just basically put them in here. So I do have some random images in here. I'm simply going to use this dog image over here and I'm going to click on open. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, it may get red borders like this, which means the image has been too big. You can just go ahead and extend this and it's going to fit in however you want it to fit in, okay? Now that's essentially how to do this, and if you want to edit this, you can always right click and do content properties, and then from here you can change this as well. So that's how to insert images. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.